this is a t-shirt that I bought a couple years ago, and it means absolutely nothing, just very provocative. I've never worn it in public, so if you get offensive, I apologize in advance. So this snapback is by Mitchell & Ness. It's an NBA logo, and it is the Baltimore Bullets, which later on became the Washington Bullets. And today I'm wearing Versace blue jeans cologne. Looks like this. Got the Versace sign right there. Want to smell good for your lady? Going to wear Versace blue jeans. Not Versace. Versace blue jeans cologne. What's good, everybody? Bruno's Vlog 24K, and I'm on 16th Street in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, right off the Strip District. And just wanted to start this video out on the bridge. Everything's good. I forgot my mask. I forgot my regular sunglasses, so I got to deal with these mirror sunglasses. And I got a nasty t-shirt on, which I'm getting a lot of crazy looks, but it don't matter. So I'm gonna go buy me a mask real quick so I can walk around the city and have some fun. So since I'm on this bridge, y'all, I want you to see this wonderful view that I have. Wow! This is what I get to look at when I'm walking across this bridge. Isn't that beautiful? See the city in the background. And mind you, excuse the cars, all the bridges in Pittsburgh are painted yellow, which I think is amazing. So I forgot my mask at home, y'all, and I had to stop at the store and buy this $2 bandana, just so nobody would give me any lip. There we go. Better? How do you like the view of the church and the blue skies? It's pretty nice. Scrambled eggs and grits. Grits and scrambled eggs. All right, y'all, I'm in the car wash again. Taking the Tesla for a car wash. And it looks like my viewers in the Philippines kind of enjoyed this. Instead of washing by hand, you just drive through. Now you see the soap on the windshield. And then you see the rollers. How noisy it is. And then these rollers split off to the side view. That's me. Oh, look. Oh, they got the pink purple soap. Psychedelic. After that wash, it goes through the dryer. And that's it. Alright, y'all, another day, another dollar. I just came down to my bank vault to get some cash so I can go get me something to eat for lunch. Got the Levi's, baby. Got the Levi's. Thanks, Mom.